Okay, now we're moving into the second most missed question from the first day's assignment. This says a circle has a circumference of 6. It has an arc of length 1. What is the central angle of the arc in degrees? So we're going to start with the same formula we had for the first problem, which is L equals theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And we're going to plug in the information we know. So first thing I notice is they tell me the arc length is 1. So I'm going to put a 1 in for L. They don't tell us the theta, so I'm going to leave that theta over 360. But they do tell us the circumference. So this is a key spot where we have to remember that this entire section of the formula is the circumference. So we're going to take, and in that spot we're going to place the 6 in. Alright, so just to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and reduce the 6 and 360 down to a 60 in the bottom. Alright, and now I have 1 equals theta over 60. I'll multiply each side by 60, and that will give me an answer of theta equals 60 degrees. And that would be our central angle in degrees. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.